welcome back to my channel. And if you read the title, we have an Ipsy unbagging for you, and it is our Ipsy Plus. And I told you that Anabella was coming, right?
Yes.
Right? So she has her very first Ipsy bag. Are you excited for that?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So before we do the unbagging, we just have some things to say, right? So if you like unboxing, unbaggings, just from beauty products to, you know, anything that's beauty related, basically, this is the channel for you. So don't forget to what, Bella?
Subscribe, hit the like,
and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That's when she gets confused. Notification bell, so you can get notified when I upload videos, because sometimes I don't upload videos all the time. I only upload videos when I get a bag or a box that comes in. And also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts, which are Facebook and Instagram at DSoto Beauty Subscription. Okay, so we got our Ipsy Glam Bag. So Bella got hers last week and I just got mine yesterday. And I had to open my bag really quick because I had a sub mail lady, and she literally threw it to the door, and I thought, oh my goodness, something's got to be broken in there. So I had to open the package and I had to see if anything was broken. Luckily, nothing was, but I did have to open mine. Bella, on the other hand, did not open hers yet. So let's get into this, right, Bella?
Yeah.
So Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $25 monthly subscription. And you get 5 full-size beauty products, 3 you get to choose for yourself, and 2 Ipsy chooses for you. I forgot how much value the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is, but if I find it, of course I will put it somewhere here. And yeah, also they have Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12. We're still waiting that. We both didn't get ours yet. We're still waiting for that. And they also have Glam Bag X, which starts next month. And because I'm getting that, Bella is not. Bella will still get her Ipsy Plus. I will be getting the Glam Bag X. So I will not be getting Ipsy Plus for next month. I will be getting the Glam Bag X instead. So I'm excited about that. All right. Enough to chit chat. Let's get into this, because I see Bella already like, come on, mommy, let's go, right?
I want to go first.
Okay, she wants to go first, so we're gonna open and go ahead. She's excited. So this is what this month's bag looks like, right? What does it say, Anabella?
Dream.
It says dream all over. Do you like the color?
Yes.
Yeah, it's super cute. Mine is kind of dirty. I don't know if you can tell, like right there. It's like right there in a certain spot over there.
Not mine.
No, not yours. But it's really, really cute. It feels like a cloth material. Oh, look at this. I did paint my nails, so it might have. It's very cute. I think this theme is really nice. There is a card in here. Did you get a card?
Yeah.
Okay, there's 2 cards. I still have another thing in here. Okay. So there is 2 cards in here.
I don't.
No? Okay. One is about Glam X. It's the Glam Bag X with Patrick tie. And this next month, it can be worth up to $428. You're gonna get let Hollywood hottest makeup artist deliver 8 of his favorite products and most coveted brands straight to you, which I did. Like I said, I subscribed. I think it is sold out, so you can go ahead and be on the wait list for March's box. March? I think it's March. Yeah. And it looks like these are like the products we're gonna get, so I'm excited. I can't wait to try that out.
Mommy, never mind, I got another one.
Oh, you got another card?
Because
so,
I didn't see it well.
Oh, okay. And then this card here, it's the theme. So it says January 2021, Dream It, right? Okay. So it says Dream It. It says new month, new year. Phew! The sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, Your grandest glow will be within reach. Get it into the month's theme at ipsy.com/dreamit. So the hashtag is ipsydreamit. And then inside, of course, it doesn't show me what products I got, but I did give Anabella my phone. She has my phone so she can see the stuff that she's got, and then I have my computer open to show me. Bella says she wants to go ahead. She wants to go first. So go ahead, Bella, go first. And here's my phone for you. That was your, what? That is one of your choice items, right? Okay. So you want to show them first? So this was her first choice item. Got makeup brushes, and so with the LaRouche Beauty, it's valued at $150. You get 5 counts of full-size makeup brushes. So she's got $150 worth of brushes.
Whoa, that was the biggest one.
Wow, Anabella, crazy.
I'm not crazy.
I didn't say you're crazy. I said the brushes, like the price of these brushes are crazy. So she's got makeup brushes. She's excited about that, right? So you can build up your collection. Nice. So she chose a choice item. I'm gonna go ahead and choose a choice item for myself too. I picked the Good Lighting Highlighter Duo from Complex Culture because I had said last month in my December's Ipsy Glam Bag, I think it was the Ultimate or the Plus, where I said that I haven't gotten a highlighter from Complex Culture yet. So this month I was able to pick one out, and this is what it looks like. You get a nice mirror here, and then it tells you what brush to use when you're doing the highlighters. And here they are. Let me show you that.
Can I see, Mommy?
Yeah, you can see when I show it in the camera first. Oh, my phone fell. But that's what this looks like. So that looks really, really cute. We get 2. One is called Lucid, and the other one's called Afterglow. So I'm gonna do a little swatch here so I can show you. Ooh, that looks nice.
Your phone that it broke again.
No, it's not gonna break.
How do you know?
So I'm hoping you guys can see that. Look at that. Ooh, that is really nice. Look at that, Bella. Alright, so I think this is a pretty cool item that I received this month. I'm excited to try it out. Those look really, really nice. I feel like I should add some more. I do have a highlighter on, which actually I don't even have a brush. I do have a highlighter on, and it's called Fiona Styles, and I haven't worn it next, and she's gonna pick another item. Let's see.
I can choose anything.
Yeah, you can choose whatever.
Okay. I got the best brow tool kit ever.
Okay, so this is something that Ipsy chose for her. Did they know that she's got beautiful eyebrows? You know, she's not gonna use this, trust me, okay? So this is the $1 Billion Brows Best Brow Toolkit Ever. This has 3 items in there, and it's full size, and it retails for $56. Bella has already gone over like $200 right here, right now. That is crazy. So she's opening this up, and guess what? I also got it too. Ipsy sent me one too. Look at, we're twinsies.
What?
Can you tell we're twinsies? So Ipsy sent me one too. So you are getting an eyebrow brush with the spoolie and the little angle there brushed. You are getting the $1 Billion tweezer, and you are also getting the scissors. So this is professional quality salon approved. So that is pretty cool. So that's what she got, and I got 2. That's awesome. So she's gonna show you everything in there.
Wait, really or real?
So this was one of Anabella's picks too. Can you show them on the camera? This is the Beauty For Real High Def Mascara in Jet Black. It is 9 mils. It's full size, and it is $19. So that's awesome. It says the soft way to give your lashes length, definition, and volume. The smear-proof jet black mascara. Wiggle the wand from lash roots to tips and apply a second coat. I've heard some people do like this.
This is how it looks like.
Yeah, I heard people like this. Don't open it, Mama, because we don't like to open mascaras if we're not going to use them yet, because Mommy has so many open. So this is what it looks like. The wand is very small. I don't know if you can see.
In the camera, it looks so blurry.
There you go. So that's what it looks like. It's very small, and I heard people like this mascara. So the next product I got, and it was a picked item for me, and it was out of my bag, is this. This is the Pearlies. To keep showing her. This is the Candy Johnson with Pearlies Buttermee Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. This is full size, and it is 6 ounces, and it retails for $24. It does have a seal, but I want to smell this because I've seen this before. It has been something, I know. I have seen it out. I think this is like a product that was made like probably over a year ago or so. So let's put some on. I want to smell it here. I got some on my nose. Like, oh my goodness, like I'm gonna eat it. Actually, it smells good.
Can I have some?
Yeah, it smells
Wait,
really
I have to rub it on my hands?
Yeah.
I
Okay,
got
I don't know. It actually really smells good. It's not strong scented or anything like that, which is nice. She doesn't like it. Creamsicle, that's what it's called.
No, it smells like throw up.
Oh no! Kid scents are solely different from adult scents. Okay, don't stop smelling your hands. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next one. Anabella, pick a product out. Pick a product.
I got this one. I got
Ooh, Thrive
Dry
Cosmetic.
Cosmetic.
It's a Brilliant Eye Brightener in Aurora. I do have this one, I believe. This is valued at $24. It is full size. You get about 0.049 ounces. It's an eyeshadow stick to see what the color looks like. Ooh, okay, go ahead and show it to the camera. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks really nice.
Just put it closer.
Yeah, they see it.
Okay.
I see it. That's pretty cool. So she's got that. That's gonna be a good, like, you can put it like in your inner corner or on the eye like that. Or when you want to do mommy's makeup, right? Because that's what Bella likes to get these bags for, is because she says that she wants to practice doing makeup on me. That's what she wants to do, right?
Mommy's gonna point it.
Yeah, so she's gonna want to do it. So we'll probably do that like in a video. A video soon where she does my makeup.
Today.
Oh, I was like, you didn't want to do it? She was like, scared me. And she was like, I'm going to do it today. But Mama, I have makeup on right now. So we'll do it like maybe tomorrow. How about that?
No, take it out.
Okay, you pull another thing out of my bag. And this is something that Ipsy chose for me. This is the Pixie Skin Treat Jasmine Oil Blend. It's a jasmine and evening pin rose. It's a radiance recovery oil. Ooh, I love Pixie. Oh, look at this. That's pretty cool. So let's read what this says. This is full size. It's a 30 ml. And of course it's a face oil, and it retails for $24. So here is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. And it comes with a dropper. I think I'm just gonna have to do it back here because it's like focusing on both of us. And it comes with a cute dropper to try it out, which my fingers print is all over it, but it looks kind of bended. Here we go. That's what it looks like. So that's pretty cool. I like that. What did you get? Pearlies. I'm gonna show them. So this is a product that Bella chose. This is the Pearlies Beauty Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. It is 1.7 ounces. It's full size. It's a facial moisturizer, and it retails for $45. I swear, Bella has like a over $200, $300 value bag here. She's got some good stuff. So you want to show them? That's pretty cool. So she's got a face
Actually, I
moisturizer.
got some good stuff.
This is good because it's lightweight, it's smooth, it's infused with blue lotus, white tea, vitamin E, French marine plant. It deeply hydrates skin to plump fine lines, wrinkles, and smooth inflammation. Okay, so then the last thing that I chose was a this is the Vital Bird C12 Dual Drop Serum. It's a age-defying deep hydration. This is 30 ml full size, and it retails for $62.
Yeah, my mom, we have another one.
Okay, that's amazing. So this is what it looks like. That kind of looks weird.
Wait, what?
Look at the color.
Wait,
it is in like a frosted like glass type.
It's with different colors, like yellow and
yellow.
silver.
It's like yellow and a frosted. No, well, this is frosted. So this is frosted. So this is amazing. It's a dual drop serum. I am using currently 2 serums. So I'm excited. I love serums. So excited to try even a brand that I don't know. Like I want to see some results. You know, trying out new brands. We got inside our bag here. So that's pretty cool. What did you think of the items you got, Bella? Did you like them?
Yes.
Yeah. And those are fun things that you probably can do on my face. Yeah. I like my bag so far. I did like all the products I got. There was actually, I only got 1 makeup product, and then the rest was like a tool or skincare. Bella's the one that got like 2 makeup products, 2 tools, and 1 skincare. So she's got a really nice one. I did redeem points in my profile, and I got the Violet Boss Essential 2 palette here. I don't remember how many points I got this. I purchased my points last month, and this is what it looks like. I think I do have the Essential 1 palette. Ooh. Look at her face. She's like all excited. Look at those colors. Those are amazing. We got some like a really nice blue, two purples, one deeper, the other one lighter.
Like pink.
Yeah. Well, they're purples. You see it?
It looks pink too then.
Yeah, so I'll put it up more closer to the camera so you guys can see that. Look at that.
Yeah,
so those look amazing.
The light blue says blue sky.
Yeah, it does say blue sky.
Oh, wait,
so I like this because on the top row you can use those like for everyday wear. The bottom one is if you want a pop of color or something like that. So that was amazing. I think I got it for like I used like 1,800 points for that or something like that, but I had the points. I had a lot of points that I haven't used, and some were gonna expire, so I had to. All right, guys. So that is everything that we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag. Yes, right?
Yes.
Okay. I know you're probably hearing me talk more than Bella, but like this is her second time being on camera, so she feels a little more comfortable and knows what to say because this is all new to her. Maybe she'll talk more later on, right, Anabella? Maybe when she does my makeup, she'll talk more in there. She'll ask me questions probably. Anywho, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a
thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit that
subscribe button.
Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
I forgot to say
Oh, okay. And don't forget to hit that
a notification bell.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell, correct. As well, don't forget to follow me on social media accounts with Facebook and Instagram and DSoto Beauty Subscription. I know I say that a lot, and I always end the video with that too as well. I don't know why. Anywho, that's how I roll, right, guys? That is it. I hope you guys have a good night. Please be safe. Stay healthy, and lots of love. Bye.
Bye.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mwah!